Well, just as you can see this time, that was the second private plane we just now seen this time anyway. Obviously this is now the second private plane we just now seen this time anyway. Which, as you can see, this time is the Pilot PA-28-180 Cherokee we've just seen this time anyway. Now, because this time we see the Cherokee B this time anyway. So as you can see, the registration as we've just seen is G-ASEJ. We've just seen this time anyway. So as you can see, this is now the Pilot PA. This is now the Pilot PA-28-180 Cherokee B we've just seen this time anyway. So as you can see, with the usual registration G-ASEJ apparently. So yeah, and just as you can see, this is the one that took off from his base at Panporth Airfield anyway. So as you can see, he was currently somewhere near Porth Tavern anyway. So technically, as you can see, it took off from his base to Panporth Airfield, probably would have been around 11:40 AM anyway. So technically he would have took off at Panporth Airfield just around 11:40 AM this morning anyway. Obviously now, because this time it's now coming up to lunch anyway. Obviously now, because it's 12:20, it's 12:20 PM now anyway. So literally came here. Well, technically, as you can see where he was from the distance, he was literally flew past just over in B-Dock anyway, just to around 11,000 feet anyway. And then for some reason he then just flew past over Falmouth. As you can see, as you can see, he was then coming towards as you can see, just from where we saw it, he literally was coming towards me anyway. So technically he flew past just over in the harbour of Falmouth anyway, just around 11,000 feet, and then just from here, as we saw it turning, he was literally just around 11,000 feet anyway. So technically the Pilot PA-28 came almost for a low pass anyway. So yeah, but by the looks of it, that should be going back to its base at Panporth Airfield very soon anyway, which hopefully we'll be heading back there shortly anyway. Hopefully we'll be heading back to its base at Panporth Airfield very soon anyway. Obviously now, because this time this is the second pilot plane we've now seen anyway. Now this time is the Pilot PA-28-180 we've just seen this time anyway, with the registration G-ASEJ we've just seen this time anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.